Perched at the highest point in this highly coveted community, this spectacular home offers the very best valley and mountain views in all of Parrett Mountain estates. Close to wine country and city conveniences, it feels like it's a world away on 1.74 private acres. The gated drive leads you to this one-of-a-kind estate, where lush landscaping and captivating views surround you. The grandiose foyer takes you to the two-story living room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace in this brilliantly designed home of more than 6,300 square feet. Take in the city lights from the comfort of your living room. Or savor the 180-degree views, including Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams, and Mount Rainier, from your wraparound deck. The chef's kitchen features 3 eating bars, a 6-burner gas cooktop, a built-in fridge, double ovens, coffee bar, and a walk-in pantry. The main-level primary bedroom suite has direct access to the view deck. French doors open to the luxurious bathroom with separate vanities, multi-head shower, and jetted tub. The huge walk-in closet leads straight into the oversized laundry room. The well-appointed office with built-ins is also a serene retreat. Double staircases meet to lead you upstairs to the enormous open loft. You'll find 3 more upper-level bedrooms in this 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home. The lower level is ready for entertaining, with a pool and shuffleboard table and a kitchenette. Make memories during movie night in the theater room with state-of-the-art equipment, theater seating, and custom surround sound. Take in the gorgeous panorama from your covered porch and your luscious private backyard. And store your toys in the 4-car oversized garage. A pristine Parrett Mountain sanctuary in a private setting with unforgettable views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.